People in Ireland overestimate the level of immigration into the country, new research from the Economic and Social Research Institute has found. A new ESRI report published today analysed misconceptions around immigration. The report found that, on average, people believe immigration is happening on a larger scale than it actually is. According to the report, this misconception is linked to negative attitudes towards immigration. The ESRI carried out an anonymous online survey measuring people's attitudes towards immigration, with 1,200 adults taking part. Participants were also asked to estimate facts about immigration, including population, reasons for migration, and characteristics like employment and education levels, social housing uptake, and share of the prison population. The average person taking part in the survey estimated that 28% of the population in Ireland was born abroad. However, the highest official figure for people in Ireland born abroad stands at 22%. People estimated that 14% of the population was born outside of the EU, UK and North America. The actual number of people in Ireland born outside those regions stands at 8%, according to the CSO. The survey also asked people to judge why people came to Ireland. On average, people guessed less than 20% of recent non-EU migrants came for work or education, with the true figure standing at close to 50%. Respondents to the survey accurately estimated that nearly 28% of recent non-EU migrants arrived in Ireland from Ukraine. They also estimated that a further 20% of migrants arrived seeking international protection from other countries, whereas the true figure from the CSO is closer to 10%. You can read more on this and other stories on the Irish Independent.